Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show you, if your incoming call not showing on your phone display, then how to fix. So let's start how to fix. Go to your phone settings. Go to notification and status bar. Go to manage notification. Now go app notifications section and find out call management. And click on it. Here make sure that allow notification, lock screen and banner are turned on. And also make sure that in the category section, all options are turned on. If everything is right, then close the settings. After close the settings, go to phone call icon. Press and hold on this icon. Click on Info. Click on Manage Notification. And make sure that allow notification, lock screen and banner are turned on. After that click on Missed Calls. And make sure these options are turned on. If these settings are correct, then hopefully your problem will be solved. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.